For us to be able to fast track the production of veterinary doctors in Ghana, we as a school thought of 2 undergraduate programs. First is through WASI, that we spend 6 years. Second, for those that went to Pont Tamale to do their diploma, they can come for programs coming directly to our school to spend 5 years. While for graduate entry, they will be able to spend 4 years. Graduate entry means they have done a degree in other animal science, biological science, and all that, will be able to come. These undergraduate entry had been put in place in the school to aid those who have interest to read veterinary medicine. Let me quickly add, veterinary medicine is now one of the courses that immediately you finish, you get a job outside the shores. Recently, 30 of our graduates were employed by the UK government last year, and that really boosts the entry, the quest for younger ones to read veterinary medicine. So School of Veterinary Medicine of KNUST is positioned to deliver graduates that will be very good in One Health, and they will be very good in the area of pandemic control. And their training is such that they are not trained by only vets. They are trained by professionals within the College of Health Sciences, like diagnosticians, medical diagnosticians. They are trained by pharmacists. They are trained by medical doctors. They are trained also by top scientists within the college to deliver the concept of One Health system to our students. Because our students are in the school, in the college, it allowed them to be trained alongside with medical doctors, nurses, and other professions that are very critical in pandemic control. So the issue of inferiority or superiority complex is not there. They grow together, they work together, they learn to work together in solving the problem of health issues in Ghana. What then is the plan? We have 3 programs to entry for undergraduate. We have successfully, through the academic board, float 7 postgraduate programs. And one of the postgraduate programs is unique in Africa. We are talking about an MPhil and PhD in One Health. Since we are very strong in the area of One Health, using our professionals in the College of Health Sciences, that is why we floated this particular master's and PhD program. And we have connection through GWAC with DAD and other universities like University of Bonn, another university in Charité in Germany. We also have connection with AU IBA. We have connection with FAO Ghana and ICTAD FAO. And with these, we have colleagues that have also submitted to be part of the programs as lecturers. And some of them are taking areas that has never been talked about in the area of One Health, where we are talking of planning and budgeting, which makes us to know that One Health is an area of management of how do we manage pandemics. This will be taught to the master's and PhD students in this area. Second one is the master's and MPhil and PhD in the area of integrative pathobiology. I'm a pathologist by training. I did my first degree, second degree, third degree in pathology. I also did my postdoctoral training in pathology, fish pathology, immunohistochemistry and all that. But this is the first time I'm seeing a program integrating parasitology, microbiology, virology, bacteriology together in an MPhil and PhD program. And that is why it is called integrative pathobiology, using experts in the various areas of infectious disease to train people specifically for the control of pandemics, in the diagnosis, quick diagnosis of infection, so that once they are able to detect it early, then you can put certain measures in place to be able to control. They are not trained by pathologists alone. They are trained by bacteriologists, immunologists, and all that, to be able to work together with other professionals to solve the problem of pandemics. The second one that we have is an MPhil in the area of comparative anatomy. One of the problems we have found in veterinary medicine is the fact that veterinary medicine is expanding from pets to wildlife, and there are other wildlife that have recently been domesticated. We need to know the difference, study the anatomy, the morphometry, their function, the tissue function, so that we'll be able to know how to treat effectively. And that was why we established that master's MPhil program in the area of comparative anatomy.